Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is the first video about composite or compound rule of three. So a compound or a composite rule of three is a rule of three, or it's a method that we use when we have more than two quantities, right? Or more than two magnitudes that we're comparing. Let's read the problem. It says, if 6 workers will build 4 walls into 10 days, how many days will it take 9 workers to build 12 walls? So the problem is speaking about three things. The problem is speaking about the workers, the walls, and the time they take doing that task, building walls, right? So I want you to keep in your mind or memorize a formula that you will understand in a while. The formula says the product X is going to be equal the product of positive things over the product of negative things. Yes? The product of all the things that are positive over the product of all the things that are negative. Okay? So you will understand that in a while. So let's try to solve the problem. It says if 6 workers, so I'm going to write the word workers here. W-O, workers. If 6 workers build 4 walls, the other magnitude is walls, or is the word wall. Yes, 4 walls. In 10 days, so they're speaking about days. They will take 10 days. Yes, I'm here. Yes, how many days, that is the variable, will it take 9 workers, so workers, 9 workers, to build 12 walls? 12 walls. Okay, this is the way we write the problem mathematically. Now, X is always negative, always, in all the problems. So the thing that is up is positive in all the problems, okay? So then compare days with workers and days with walls. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's compare days with workers. If I improve the number of workers, I will take less days. It means if one magnitude increases, the other one decreases. The more workers I have, the less days I'll take to complete the task. So if they are inverse, I copy a negative sign here and a positive sign here. If they are direct, I copy a positive sign here and a negative here. Let's see what happened with the other two magnitudes. Compare days and walls. More days, if I use more days, I will have more walls. Yes? If I work more days, I will build more walls. So how are the two magnitudes, days and walls? They are direct. They are directly proportional. Why? Because if I improve the number of days, I will improve the number of walls I will build. So if they are direct, days and walls, I will write here positive and a negative. And then just substitute in the formula. Yes, let's substitute in the formula. We erase this. And then do it. So X is going to be equal the product of the positive things. Which are the positive things? We have the 10, the 12, and the 6. So I will multiply 12 times 10, it doesn't matter the order, times 6. Yes? Let's include the magnitudes, because I wanted to understand what happened with the magnitudes. So 10 days, times 12 walls, times 6 workers, over the product of the negative things. So 9 times 4, 9 workers times 4 walls. Yes? So let's see what happened with the magnitudes. Days, I don't cancel 8 with any days, with anything. Days is the question, okay? So workers and workers, we can cancel workers and workers. Walls and walls, we can cancel them. Yes? Remember, before multiplying and simplifying, before multiplying and dividing, let's try to simplify things. So I can simplify 10 and 4 by 2. 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. 4 divided by 2 gives me 2. I can simplify 2 and 6 or 2 and 12. 2 divided by 2, 1. 12 divided by 2, 6. I can simplify 9 and 6. 9 divided by 3, 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. I can continue simplifying 3 and 6. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay, I cannot continue simplifying more, so I will multiply 5 times 2 times 2. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2, 20. So x is going to be, remember, days, 20 days. The answer is going to be 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2, 20. 20 days. That's the answer of my problem. Okay? And that's the way we solve this type of exercises. Again, guys, thanks for watching Simple Math, and I invite you to watch the second video about simple rule of 3. Well, rule of 3, composite or composed rule of 3. That means problems that have more than 2 magnitudes. Okay? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.